Welcome here to RFL Week 4. We have Tractor Co. versus Pulos, Locos. I don't even know what that means. Here we go. Say your name.
Jack, aka QB.
Carson, LAE.
Aiden, LAE.
And here's Los Pulos.
Nigeria.
I'm Evan, LAE.
Brady, LAE/Rose.
Alright, we're gonna give it to these guys because they seem younger. Screen your case.
We are.
They call case, and they got it. They'll receive. What way do you guys want to go?
That way.
Yeah, they're going that way. Alright, here we go. Here we go, everyone. Jack will kick it off. Start RFL Week 4. Oh, shoot. Just coming right down. Great kick. That'll give him terrible field position. Nice kick by Jack. And Drew, last year's MVP. We'll see how he does today. Incomplete on first down. Jack says he does not feel like playing defense right now. Throws it to Brady. Brady catches it. And he will... Oh, they're trying to strip it. He's down. He's down. And third down. Third down here. Nice play by Brady on that last one. And Drew looking, throws, and it's almost caught by Brady. He just drops it. Fourth down and long. Fourth down here. Brady with the drop on that last one. Drew looking. Needs to find a man here on fourth down. He has no one. Throws to Brady. It's caught. Touchdown. Los Pulos, Locos. 1-0 game. Drew with another touchdown pass. So here we go. Drew will be kicking into the wind. So for the first time, we might actually get an interesting kickoff. And never mind. He still gets it out even with this crazy one. First down from the 8-step mark. And we have a center for the first time. The throw. Aiden catches it, and he will score a touchdown. A great play. Jack A, the amazing quarterback. That was a great play. And Jack will kick it. Weird kick. Oh, it bounces off Drew. Drew gets it, and he will go. He might take it all the way, and he does. A return touchdown by Drew, and that will make it a 2-1 game. Drew says to keep it rolling. Ooh, the dab. And now here's the kick. Drew gives the signal, and it's a high one, it's deep, and it's gone. Make that, they'll get it at the 20. And he's going under center again. Jack gets the snap. Looking, and don't have anyone. He's gonna let it go. Aiden almost made another great catch. Incomplete. Jack, newcomer. This is his first ever RFL game. Throws it over to Carson, and Carson drops an easy catch. Third down, Jack is not happy. Jack is the quarterback for the middle school team. He is showing up today, doing pretty well, even though his receivers are not making the best of catches. He's looking, can't find anyone. He's gonna let one go. Oh my gosh, almost caught on the Hail Mary. It'll be fourth down now. They might have to punt. Fourth down and a long ways to go. They choose not to punt, so let's see how this works. Jack drops back at quarterback. A trick play. Carson can run. They did rush. And gives it to Jack. Now Jack, the trick play. Where's he gonna go? What is going on? Oh, cuts back. He has no blocker and he gets taken down. And it'll be a turnover on downs, but a great gain on the play. It's a turnover on downs. First down here. The sun is barely down on the field. Throws it. Evan makes the catch. And Evan's still up. Oh my, Jack's going to take it. And Evan is still on his feet. Marshawn Lynch. Marshawn out here. Huge gain on the play. Great job by Evan. Breaking tackles like Kareem Hunt. Drew snaps it. And Evan cuts back, and it almost was a touchdown. Nice defense there by Aiden. This season, Evan has broken more tackles than he has catches. And Brady was running a nice route there. Drew misses him. And it's a touchdown. Evan, Kareem Hunt with the score, 3-1. Drew is having a nice game, as well as Evan. Ooh, the down. Yep. And here we go. Drew has up the signal. Bad kick on that one. It is actually the best kick. They'll get it like the 2-yard line. First down. And running some short patterns, it looks like. Jack has no one. He's going to have to get it off. And he's down. And Jack didn't realize that we had a 5-second rule. You have to throw it within 5 seconds. No, Jack is saying run it. Jack is new. He doesn't know all the rules. He's still up. The slowest jukes. Oh, he's going and he's taken down. 3rd down. Jack snaps it. Looking, he has no receivers. And Aiden wide open, another touchdown catch for Aiden, and make that a 2-3 game. Tractor Co. making a comeback. Here we go. I don't know what in the world is what Jack is doing. And he onside kicks it. And they'll get it right there. Good field position for Drew. Jack is having a lot of first failed onside kick. The wind is very strong right now. It's going to be hard to go deep. Jack with the 5 bump. Throws it. Aiden with the good defensive play. 3rd down. And Drew will line up as wide receiver. This is new. And Evan rushing. Throws it up. It's still a touchdown. And that's push off. That will not count. Redo 3rd down. Drew takes over quarterback again after the push off. And throws it. It's incomplete. 4th down. And he laterals it back. Rushing. And Jack with the swat. A great defensive play, and it'll be a turnover on downs. Look at it right there. Great. Like freaking Derek Johnson. Turnover on downs. 2-3. They had a switch up, and there's no lateral. I don't know what he's doing. And he's down. 2nd down. 2nd down, and Jack looking for a man. And it's another touchdown. This is college rules, so that's a touchdown. Aiden, 3 touchdown catches on the day. Jack is having quite the game. And with that, that'll make it a 3-3 game, and Tractor Co. is stepping it up as Jack struggles to get on the tee with this one. And will they try another onside kick? It will. I don't know if it's going to work. It is not. And Jack touches it, so they'll pick it up right there. Throws it over. Evan makes the catch, and we'll go down. 2nd down. 2nd down here. Evan, nobody is on him, and that's an easy. Oh, he's not in. Oh, I think he's in. Touchdown. Easy touchdown. No one was covering Evan. That'll make it a 4-3 game. And Drew gives him the signal. This is a big possession for them. That was a nice kick into the neighbor's garage. Hopefully he doesn't come out. 1st down. 4-3 game. Finds Carson right over the middle. Carson makes a cutback, and he's got a blocker, which is Jack. He's just bullying Brady, and he is caught up in a big mess. He's down. 2nd down, and a quick snap, and it's a catch, a great catch by Carson. Unbelievable. That was a great catch, and Jack is having quite the game. 4-4 here. And we had an onside kick when I was not ready to record. All right, so basically on that play, Jack onside kicked it, and Brady recovered it, and now they get the same field position they've got for like the past 3 drives. A pass to Evan. Evan does not catch that one. 2nd down. Nobody picked up Drew, and they argued over who was taking Drew, and now Drew has the whole team beaten. Touchdown, make that a 5-4 game. Brady with a touchdown pass. Evan finally decides on a celebration to use. Uses the Cam Newton. 5-4, and now Tractor Co has to score. What is this team doing? So now they will kick it. This is the last chance. If Tractor Co scores, they will send it to overtime. If not, they will lose the game. And they'll take over from the 20. Here we go. 4 downs to see what happens. Jack quick snaps. Throws it over to Carson, and a nice catch. 2nd down. Playing hurry-up offense. Nobody open. Throws it, and that's incomplete. 3rd down. 3rd down. They need to play here. They do the lateral again. And Aiden almost had it. That would have did it. 4th down now, and this is the play to decide what happens. Aiden had it. 4th down, this play will decide the game as we have our first boat drive-by of the year. Actually, we probably have this one. That thing is flying. All right, here we go. This is the play to decide whether we go to overtime or Tractor Co takes the... All right, Jack thinks they're going to win. Here we go. This is it. You can't call timeout mid-play. He has to do something with it. It's almost 5 seconds. He gives it to Carson. Carson, what will he do? They're going to need like a Hail Mary or something. Carson's scooting back, making it a long pass for him. It's caught! Touchdown! Oh my gosh!
Look at the video. How can you not call that one a push-off?
That will send it to overtime. Drew wants a push-off. We'll see. Alright, so we have a bunch of boats, and we're joined by Luke.
Gang, gang.
I thought he was hunting. Might have been playing in this game. Here we go. Brady, the lateral back. This is overtime. And it's caught. Will Drew get in? He will. Touchdown. Make that. Oh, Evan just got rocked. And now Tractor Co has to score. And Jack snaps it. They have to score on this play. They do the lateral. And looking, they have to score here. They have no other choice. Carson needs somebody open. They already lateraled, so there's no 5-second rule. We're going to be here all day. Okay, but we're just going to sit here all day, apparently, until he finds someone to throw to. He's going to have to just throw it. I mean, I don't even know. So we'll take this time to advise you that we're now sponsored by La Fuente. And it's caught! Touchdown! And Jack makes a great catch, so now we will go to 2nd overtime, and Tractor Co will get the 1st. So now we get a part 2 to this a fake reverse. And he's looking, he doesn't have to score here, but he does. Aiden makes a great catch. And now that puts the pressure on Drew, Evan, and Brady. That makes it 7-6 here in double overtime. Oh my God.
Really, Mom?
And throws it. Evan is wide open. Who is covering him?
No one.
That is 7-7 now. It's just too easy. Evan wide open every play, and we'll go to triple overtime now. Drew's back. And will they decide to put 3 men on Brady again this time? Who knows? We're here in triple overtime. Oh! Brady wide open. Too high of a throw in the... What was that? Oh! That bringing in the chicken incomplete. I don't even know. All right.
Chicken incomplete.
It is now. If Tractor Co scores, this game is over. Here we go. Oh my gosh! Oh, the fake spike. Oh! It's picked off, and he runs out of bounds. That could have been game over.
Brady!
Now that goes.
No, you were way out of bounds.
Everyone's showing up. And they lateral to eliminate the 5-second rule. I think we have found a loophole in the 5-second rule. And he throws. Evan catches it, and that's the game. If he can hold on, yeah, that's game. That's game. Drew and Evan, a great game for them, and they win the game.